And we go back to YouTube Studio and hit that apply button. OMG. This is it, mga friends. Ay! Ah!
Hello everyone! Finally, dumating na ang araw na pinakahihintay ko at lahat yata ng YouTuber, especially ng mga kagaya kong nagsisimula pa lamang. Sa wakas ay nakamit ko na ang 1,000 subscribers at 4,000 watch hours. Para sa inyong kaalaman, ang aking channel Minsan Turista ay ginawa ko noong July 2019 pero naging aktibo lamang ako noong June 2020. Bago ko simulan ang aking pag-a-apply, i-share ko muna sa inyo ang aking ginawang paghahanda. Unang-una, inayos ko muna ang aking thumbnails, title at descriptions ng lahat ng aking video para ito ay umakma sa isa't isa. Pangalawa, inalis ko na din ang lahat ng minor restrictions na aking nakita sa aking livestream at ito ay ang copyright issues. Although alam ko naman na hindi siya makaka-apekto sa aking application, ako ay nagsiguro na din. Pangatlo, inayos ko din ang title ng aking playlist nang sa gayon ay mabilis itong ma-review. Pang-apat, sure na sure ako na wala akong reuse content dahil ang aking mga video ay original na kuha sa aking camera at sa aking live stream. Pang-lima, akin ding chinek kung meron ba akong community guidelines strike kay YouTube at nakakatuwang makita na malinis at walang violation ang aking channel. Okay.
And we go back to YouTube Studio and hit that apply button. OMG. This is it, mga friends. Ay! Ah!
After hitting the apply button, you will see a step-by-step procedure on how you can get your channel monetized. First step is very easy. You just have to read and understand the terms given by YouTube in applying for their partner program and accept their terms. Once you're done, it will bring you back to the previous page and you may proceed with step 2, which is creating Google AdSense account, or you can just connect your existing one. You need an AdSense account to monetize and get paid. And then I need to verify if it's really me accessing my Gmail account right now, but we'll skip that verification process in this video. You will be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. I do not have an existing AdSense account, so I need to create one. Choose the email address you want to create an account with. It will then bring you to a Google AdSense sign-up page. Your website is auto-populated, so nothing to do extra in that area. Choose how you will get a notification from them, and in my case, I choose the first one. Carefully choose which country you are from, and then accept the agreement and click Create an Account. Just click the Get Started button to go to the account creation page, and then you will see your name and you will be asked for your address. And then hit the Submit button and you're good to go. You will be redirected to the main page of application and you'll see that the step 2 is now on progress and your waiting game begins now.
The next day.
OMG everybody! Hello everybody! This is the best morning so far I have ngayong September 2020. I just received the email from YouTube na ako ay qualified na for their partner program. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung email na na-receive ko. Sabi, congratulations, you've been approved to join the YouTube partner program. Your YouTube channel, Minsan Turista, has been accepted into the YouTube partner program. It's now able to monetize. Once na ma-approve ka at ma-receive mo yung email kay YouTube, ganito po yung makikita mo dun sa monetization tab. Ganito na siya.
Kahapon, naghintay ako ng 11 hours para sa approval ng Step 2 and then another 11 hours para sa approval ng monetization ng aking channel.
So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is ito-turn on ko yung mga ads ko sa aking channel. Oh my God, this is the most exciting thing ever.
Hello guys! So, I just want to congratulations Tita Kat, aka Minsan Turista! You're officially a YouTuber now! Congrats! I'm so happy! And guys, make sure to subscribe on her channel. It's here. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Keep safe, guys! Mwah! Love you too, Tita Kat!
So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find this video helpful at mag-comment lamang kung kayo ay may katanungan sa prosesong ito. Sana ay kayo na ang sunod na ma-monetize at hangad ko ang inyong tagumpay. Salamat ng madami sa aking Team Bebe family and sa lahat ng naging parte ng aking journey. Mwah!